Are you looking for ways to digitalize your NCR CAPA process? NCR CAPA process is an integral part of ISO 9001 compliance. This was earlier managed using a paper-driven process, but now more and more small and medium manufacturers are moving towards a digital software-driven process for NCR CAPA management. Introducing SolvoNext NCR CAPA, an advanced software solution that streamlines the digitalizing of your NCR CAPA processes. SolvoNext NCR CAPA works on simple 4-step method. Start NCR and alert the team for immediate containment actions. Perform root cause analysis and implement corrective and preventive measures. Document financial impacts and assign responsibilities accurately. Review and approve documentation, ensuring it's accessible. It features a user-friendly interface that is mobile-friendly, allowing any authorized team member to easily make inputs. It also includes built-in approval flows and notifications, ensuring everyone has a clear and easy-to-follow view. A powerful automated dashboard allows tracking of the metrics that matter the most and eliminates the need to manage multiple Excel and PowerPoint files. SolvoNext NCR CAPA offers a powerful COPQ feature, enabling you to track and understand the financial impact of inefficiencies in manufacturing quality processes. Request a demo and book a free trial today, or visit orcaline.com to learn more.